Good morning and Assalamualaikum class. I hope you all will be fine and staying healthy at your home. It's your English period and I am your English teacher. You have to take out your read now and you have to open page number 29. First of all, you have to mention CW and short date at the top. We are doing back exercise of the wonderful ant. Okay. So you have to read out the first question. The ant uses its fillers to hear, to smell and to touch. What do we use to hear, smell, touch, taste and see? Now here are five senses we have to tell that why we use. Okay, we hear with what? Look here in this picture, the man is hearing with his ear. Yes, you have to write here EAR, ear. Read out the next word, that is smell. Can you tell me that we smell with what? Yes, look here in this picture. We smell with our, yes, it's nose. So here you have to write we smell with nose, Nose. Write it here. Like this you have to write it neatly on your book with a sharpened pencil. Okay. Then C part is touch. We touch with our, yes, hands. Look here in this picture. The man is touching a tablet with his hands. Look here, we touch with our hands. I am touching the phone with my hands. Yes. After writing hands, you have to read out D part, that is taste. We taste with our, look here in this picture, the boy is tasting an ice cream with his, yes, it's a tongue. So we taste with our tongue. Write it here, Tongu. Our E part is see. We see with our eyes. Look here in this picture. We use our eyes to watch anything. Okay. So when we need to watch something, we use our eyes. We see with our eyes. Write it here. Like this, you have to do this part A neatly on your book. Then you have to read out your next question. These words show size. Put a suitable word after each. There are some words given. We have to put a noun in front of these words. A tiny. We say a tiny what? Tiny means very small. Look here in this picture. This ant is very tiny. So here you will write a tiny ant. Write it here. Next is a big dash. A big, what we say? A big house, a big store, a big anything. I'm writing a big house. You can write any other thing. Okay. A little dash. A little mice. I'm writing here a little mice. MICE, mice. Okay. A large what? We can say a large city, a large pizza. Okay, you can write any other word. A small dash, a small country, a small lake, a small stream. You can write anything here. I am writing here a small stream, STREAM, a small stream. Okay. Then is a great dash, a great party or a great surprise. Okay, a great day. I'm writing here a great surprise. Okay, like this you have to write it. A vast means too big. A vast, I'm writing here a sea. Okay, a vast meal. Okay, you can write any other word. A huge dash, a huge building, a huge mountain. You can write any other word. I am writing here a huge building, BUILDING, a huge building. Okay, like this you have to do this second part. Then you have to read out your third question, that is ants use their mouths to carry the young ones to safety. Do you know of any other creatures which do the same with their babies? Now we have read in this chapter that ants are creature which carry their young ones in their mouth. Do you know about any other creature who is holding or carrying their babies or young ones in their mouth? Yes, you can tell me. Look here in this picture. Cats are also animals which hold or carry their babies in their mouths. Look here in this picture. This cat is holding its kitten in its mouth. Okay. So here you will write cats. Look here in this picture. Dogs are also that kind of creature who carries their baby in their mouth. So here you will write the name of dogs. And here is another picture of an animal who carry its baby in its mouth. So it's a lion who carries its baby in its mouth. Like this you have to do this part. Okay, then you have to read out question number 4. Ants help the home in different ways. How do these ants help? Here are some options which we have read also in this chapter. You will circle it with a color pencil or with a pencil. Okay, so ants help as a nurses. Have you read it in chapter? Yes, ants helps as nurses because they take care of their babies. Okay, so they help at their home like nurses. So you will underline it with a color pencil. Then ants help like soldier. Yes, they also fight with their enemy. Okay, so here you have to underline this. Then ants work like cleaner. Yes, they always clean their house and keep their home clean and tidy. Okay, then they help as food hunter. No, they do not help as a food hunter. They bring food but they do not hunt food. So here you will not underline this option. Are they builders? No, they are also not builders. They are not building anything but they are digging their burrows. Then they are not builders. Okay, they are pet keepers. Yes, ants are also pet keepers because they take care of honeybees and then honeybees produce honey. So you will underline pet keepers also. Okay, then you have to do your question number 5. The ant is a busy hard worker. Can you name any other creature which are hard workers? Can you tell me? Then you will write honeybees because they are always making honey and they are always in process of making honey. So honeybees are hard worker creature. Then you will write spider. Spider is also a hard worker because a spider is always busy in making of web. So spider is also a hard worker. You have to do this back exercise neatly on your book. Then you will do part question number 2 in your notebook as your homework. You have to learn it and send me your feedback.